In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to watch NFL Network in 2026. Let's get started. You can watch NFL Network through a live TV streaming service, the NFL Plus Premium app, or a traditional cable or satellite provider. One of the simplest options is NFL Plus Premium, which costs $14.99 per month. With NFL Plus Premium, you can stream the live NFL Network feed along with NFL Red Zone, game replays, and other NFL content. You can access it through the official NFL app on supported phones, tablets, and streaming devices such as Apple TV, Roku, and Fire TV. Another option is a live TV streaming service. Sling TV offers NFL Network through its Sling Blue package and is one of the lower cost options. Europe TV includes NFL Network in its base plan, while Fubo includes a channel in its Pro plan. Hulu Plus Live TV also offers NFL Network as part of its live TV lineup. So if you only want NFL Network without a full cable subscription, NFL Plus Premium may be the most convenient option. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.